Hi, I'm Tori, and today I will be showing you how to add an addendum to a drawing log in Sage Construction Management. The process is the same through both projects and leads, so I will be showing you your steps through projects. There are a couple extra buttons that are optional for you to choose in projects as well. So you're going to go over here to the left. I'm going to click Projects. Select from this list or click the hyperlink below. Choose the project that you would like to add the drawing addendum to. Scroll down to Project Library, click Drawings. Go over here to the right, click Actions, and Add Manually. Your project number will be put in as default, and your prime contract you're allowed to select in projects, not in leads. This will not pop up in leads. You can choose a file or drag and drop. You are going to click Next. You are able to change the drawing number, title, and release date, but those are put in for you as default. You can change them though. Then next, if you have a PDF with multiple pages, you can check the burst button and each PDF page will become a separate drawing record with one page PDF linked file. And so, create. And then it may take a minute to load because I did just select the long loading option, but here I had already put one in, and so this is what will show up as your addendum to the drawings. You can also refresh and it will be there. If you go into revision details, and then the addendum that you added is there. That's it.